Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to pair AirPods to Nintendo Switch 2. If you want to pair AirPods with your Nintendo Switch, first go to the settings. Now go to Bluetooth audio, click on pair device, and now you should open your AirPods and press and hold on the back button until a white light starts blinking. Now you should find them here. You can click on them. It couldn't connect, so I'm gonna try again. Yeah, and now it's connected. You can put them in your ears and use them. And I hope the video is helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you in the next one.